Hey Dex.
I'm eating my vitamin C.
Eating your vitamin C?
Yeah.
Show it. Are you going to eat it or are you just going to play with it?
I'm going to read it.
That's pretty good. Yum, yum, yum. What's it taste like?
Oranges.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Oh my god, it's nearly Christmas! And,
It's fizzy.
is it?
Yeah.
It's fizzy, guys. I'm sitting here with Dexter and we're watching none other than Cars 3. Haven't seen that movie before. In the last, day or so. Anyway. I didn't go to my Parcel Locker last night, so I'm going to go today. Dexter, shush. I am very grateful for Kylie, one of my viewers. She has sent me links to where to get a self-stirring mug, and so I'm on a mission to get one. That's what I'm doing. I know where to get it from, and I'm down. And it's Star Wars themed, which is just 10 times better because your girl loves Star Wars. So thanks for that, Kylie. You're a bloody champion. I'm pretty tired. I got a bit of a sleep in though today. I got to wake up at 8 o'clock, which is quite the sleep in. I did wake up at 3 though, and couldn't get back to sleep until about 4:30. And so I'm a little bit tired. I'll probably have a nap today. I don't know. Anyway, that's my plan. Brendan just asked me if we were going to do things today or relax today instead. And I think I want to do both, if that makes sense. I want to go and do a few things, nothing too big. And then probably relax a bit in the afternoon. I don't know, mate. Look, my brain hasn't turned on. I haven't even had coffee today. I had some Nutri-Grain cereal and I made way too much. And then I ate it all. And now I'm full. And I think that's why I'm tired, actually. Yeah, I think.
My eye is closed.
Your eye is closed, that's right. Are you kicking me, Saxon?
Hey, Mommy, I want Cars 3.
You just watched Cars 3. Now we're watching Toy Story.
Classic Dexter.
Okay?
Wow, that Cars 3 movie was really good. You know what it is back in there? I just want to watch Cars 3 again. It's really got me in the mood to watch Cars 3.
Mommy wants a Toy Story.
Oh, okay, buddy.
That's an apple. Apples is like cherry. Apple. Sections.
I think he's just...
I
think he's full, maybe.
Yeah.
That's okay. Good job. Dexter just insisted on trying to feed Saxon and it was pretty cute. It was so cute. Alright, let's clean you up. I forgot, we've got to do this photo thing for Brendan's mum. Not last year, the year before, we got Brendan's mum this series of photos. It was like Brendan in the shower with Dexter, and they were like cute little photos. And I made them black and white, and we put them in like one of those frames with like 3 photos in it. And Saxon is about the same age as Dexter was in those photos, so we're going to do it again, but with Saxon this time. And that's what we've got to do today. And we've got to go and print them today, because I think Brendan's mum's going to be here on Monday, which, if you're watching this video now, is tomorrow. So maybe the lazy day thing probably isn't something that's going to happen, because now I'm starting to think about all the things we need to do.
A little sprinkle.
You. Anyway, I think I figured out why my phone was saying it was out of space all the time. So I didn't realise. Can you stop it for a sec? I didn't realise that. Oh, when you delete things off your phone, it goes into a folder called deleted items.
Oh, so you got to empty.
So then you got to empty that folder. And now I've got like 34 gigs. So
When we get filming.
yeah. My child's a bit mentally challenged. Okay, so right now I'm trying to use the remainder of what's in this platter, which isn't much, just the berries and stuff and fruit, to make a smoothie. So I've cut up a few of the strawberries, and it's obviously for Dexter because I am not going to eat it because it's just too delicious. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. I always say I'm going to do something, and then the next clip doing something completely different. That's just my life. That's how I live life. Brendan can probably vouch for that. Anyway. There we go, this whole mixture of stuff in there. And I've hidden some spinach in there. You gonna eat it? Yum, yum, yum. Good boy. Do you like your smoothie? Are you drinking it?
Yeah.
Can you drink it for me? Have a big drink. You don't like it, do you?
I do.
We'll have some. Good boy. Is it good? And that is the only way that I can make my kids eat good food. But it works pretty well. So me and Saxon are hanging out. I'm going to go and have a shower in a minute, and then we're going to go and do things. It's only... What is going on my watch? It's 12:10, and we're finally getting all organised. That's what being a weekend and being on holidays is all about. Doing things last minute. Isn't that right, Saxy Moo? Not last minute, just, you know, at a leisurely rate. I just realised it's super dark. We did the photo shoot with Saxon. Saxon was not as cooperative as Dexter was when we did it with him. But at the same time, I think that when we did it with Dexter, he was like crying and being comforted by Brendan, whereas Saxon was just like, I'm in the shower. So I don't know how these are going to turn out, but I'm sure she won't mind either way.
job.
And Dexter had a little go in the shower as well, but he didn't quite enjoy it very much. Anyway, I'm going to get ready and go and do things. Hey, Dex, what are we going to do?
I'm feeling ducks.
We're going to feed the ducks, aren't we? Did you fall asleep in the car?
Yeah.
Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah.
I was getting worried because he fell asleep in the car. Anyway, all of our plans have just gone out the window and we're going to feed some ducks as a family. How cute. What are you doing, Saxy me?
Look at him waddle. Look at him waddle over there.
Bloody bin chickens. Bin chickens. Quack, quack. Yo. Just hanging in the bush. Bit hot, eh? Yeah, man.
Hold on to the handrail hooks. That's it. Oh, look, there's a turtle over there. You see the turtle? Turtle.
There's some duckies in there.
I can't see the turtle anymore.
And there were
There's
daddy
another turtle.
duckies.
There.
Look, baby turtle. Baby turtle. Can I have some?
Yeah.
Throwing them some apricot. You want some apricot? Whoop. Bin chicken. You didn't want that. The ducks are eating it though. The bin chicken though was like, nah. I just want bin juice. Look at this little cutie looking up at me. Can you see?
Can I put another one in?
Do you want to give some to these big duckies?
I'm going to give this bit to the bin chicken. Yeah, he took it. Enjoy your penicillin.
Can I put another one in? I like it stuff.
Oh, there's some big fishies coming up too.
Brendan reckons this guy's mating, doing a mating call with this guy. I think he might be actually. He's like, yo, yeah, I'll take you on a date, girl. That's what he's done. He's taken her on a date.
I'm full already.
Yeah. He's impressing her. He's not interested in the bread at all. Or the apricot. Yeah. You want to get some?
I mean, that is my go-to meal.
Me too, mate. Are you going to mount her? What? He keeps coming closer to me. Are you trying to mate with me? Because it ain't happening. See, look. No. Look, go get some puss. He was about to say get some puss. He did. I said to the duck, go get some puss, and then Dex goes, can I get some puss?
When you're older, mate.
Maybe just rip a bit off and throw it. Oh, the duckie's given up. Look, he's all the way over there now. He's like, see ya. Mm. The ibis has taken it. I can't see it in the screen, but you guys might be able to see it.
And the gooses too.
So rip it into little bits.
Oh, look, there's a
Rip
catfish
into
and there's a
little bits.
turtle.
It's a cute little turtle, eh?
I don't know if anyone can see. Oh, yeah, I can see the turtle.
I can see a turtle too.
There's greedy guts over here.
This is healthy rye bread.
Yeah, get that rye in there. Are you having fun in there, smiley boy? Are you having fun in there, smiley boy? Hey.
Can I have another one, please?
Oh, I can't see. Bush turkey.
Cool, isn't it? Look at these leaves.
Look at them all. Does he want to touch?
You want to touch them?
You want to touch it? Yeah.
He just touched it with his little tiny baby finger. He did it.
Yeah, can I touch it?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a bit spiky, isn't it? Wow. Don't put that in your mouth. That's pretty cool, isn't it, Bubba?
That's a big leaf.
Yeah. The one I found for you.
Yeah, wow.
Everyone is over there.
Everyone is over there.
Yeah. And we are here too. Hey,
Well done.
I thought we'd let Saxon have a little bit of sensory experience, seeing as he's constantly carried around and not really put on the floor to like experience things. You having a good time? That did not sound enthusiastic at all.
big hole.
What made that hole?
Ant.
An ant?
Yeah.
How big do you think ants are?
Look
Duck.
at these oak leaves.
Wow. What are you doing over there,
Decky,
Dexter?
we've already got some leaves. We don't need any more, buddy. Come over here.
Look, Daddy. Look, ant is right.
There's an oak leaf for you.
Oh. Let's see this one. Oh, that's so cute. That is there. That's it. Let's put them in here. Let's put them in here. Come on, Daddy. Let's put them in here. Daddy, let's put them in here.
You can put that one in there. I'll put this one later. He's all happy.
He's loving it.
I put a food in there for the ants.
I'm sure they'll appreciate that. The massive ants that live in there. Look at
They're
that.
moving the leaf out of the way because they're making their little nest there. They're carrying all the rocks out. Look at them working.
Yeah.
What are they
Let's go
called?
get
Super
some more.
mages?
Let's go get some more.
We gave them some crumbs. Are they getting the crumbs?
Yeah, they took them all. Yep.
There's some more leaves.
You see, they're digging it at the moment. You see them go in and carry little rocks out and leave them in a pile. See?
More ants over
That is
here.
that's pretty interesting to watch.
Mommy, where is
I mean, I couldn't watch a whole YouTube channel on it, but I mean, it's pretty
Look at them
interesting.
carry their little rocks. That's why they're not all around everywhere. They're just staying in this little zone and not attacking us because they're just digging it.
They're getting busy.
Yeah, look, see this guy's got a rock, plop, goes back into another one. This guy's got a rock, plop, goes back into
Wow.
another one.
Wow.
That's spiky.
you down?
It's a beautiful nest. This one's slacking, he's just walking around.
Daddy,
Yeah.
He's just gone back and forth. He's a slacker.
Yeah.
We busted you, mate.
Spiky leaf.
Oh, very. Oh. Is that very spiky? Thanks,
Guess we'll
mate.
find out when he launches it, huh?
Yeah. Thanks, mate.
Jackie, let's go over here. I think there's some more ant friends. Say bye-bye to those ants. Look, there's some over here.
Big
Mommy,
one
look,
here.
they're making the nest everywhere.
It's Ant City. Here's a little update on the ant situation. Dexter and Brennan have just found a pomegranate, and they are now trying to feed a nest of ants a pomegranate. They really don't like seeing animals go hungry.
And spraying it with acid.
Oh, God.
He thinks it's an enemy,
Oh, wow.
and it is.
Is it?
Well, it is now. I guess I've just made it an enemy. So
As if they don't... That's
it's
cool how
it's
it...
unright. Yeah. I've just given them a whole lot more work to
Look,
do.
now they're moving it all the other way.
Find one.
Good one, Brendan.
He can't lift it out, it's too heavy. Look, there's a big soldier one, I think.
Look,
Oh,
It's the
yeah.
defense one that they call.
find one.
Oh, that's okay. Put in a big hole.
I think that's enough ant lessons for these guys. I don't think
Unless we see a different kind.
Yeah. Well, you never know, but I'm pretty
Look,
sure...
he's spraying acid on it. That's
I
fine.
can't see the spraying.
When they curl their bum around, look like they're trying to sting it like a wasp.
Oh, okay. Alright. No more ants. Maybe I just won't film any more ants. I've just figured out how to, well, turn this pram around so that Saxon
Squish
can
it,
watch me.
Dex. That was mean.
But I'm really stoked that now I can, like,
He's dead now.
talk to
You killed
Saxon when we're walking around. And he likes it too, don't you, mate?
I killed it so they can go in this, so he needs to go in.
Dexter killed an ant and we're making him feel very guilty about it.
You don't kill things, mate.
Hey! Hello, happy boy. Not even that bad, but
No, they got like a knobbly bit on their back, and they wrap around a branch and just look like a knobble on the branch.
yeah, I don't like it still. This is why I married you. Look out for me. Can we go get slushies now? Woo! Slushies and shopping, hopefully.
Mommy and Dad are
Look how beautiful this is.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Except for all those stupid bin chickens.
Mommy will go around.
Yeah, I'll hold your hand so we can look for fishies.
Just popped in a 7-Eleven to get a Slurpee. I got Coke.
I got guava and raspberry.
Oh, Brendan got guava and raspberry. And did we get raspberry for Dexter? Nothing better to cool you down than a big cup of sugar. Anyway.
Dehydrating good.
Yeah, that's alright. I'm so thirsty and it's just not quenching my thirst at all. We're about to go to the mall, or Granny C as we call it, or Grandy as everyone else calls it, to just do some stuff, hang out in the aircon, eat some food probably, spend money we shouldn't be spending, you know, usual. So what is this? Can you show? We just bought this. I think it's cheese. I like those poco things or whatever they're called, pockies, but it's cheese. Is that right?
It's a Korean version of pepperoni.
I mean, it doesn't taste like cheese. Oh yeah, it does. It tastes like cheese powder. No. It's really weird, but it's not terrible. I don't want any more. Do you like them, Dex?
Oh, are you going to
I'm gonna get this for Dexter. Right, so we've just done our shopping. Oh, I totally forgot about that book that we just got. Yeah. The little D&D, ABCs of D&D, which I think is so cool. No, I filmed some of it though. So now we've had our Subway for dinner. I'm assuming that was dinner. Yeah, 6:30 dinner time. And
6:30. You might have to pay.
Yeah.
Close to.
No, I'm pretty sure it was like 4 o'clock or something when we came in. Let's see, is it free? Is it free? Yeah!
We always scrape it in.
Just scrape it in. So I went to go and get my pills, but I left them too late, and the chemist isn't open. So now. Is that
one near us going to be open? Or?
It would be, but it's double the price. Double the price there. So yeah, I guess we're going to be paying double for. Well,
You get a small packet?
I am getting a smaller packet.
Oh, that's why.
Oh, there was one right there. I just saw it. It said discount chemist. See? There. We thought we saw a discount chemist open. So we did this big, trek. Well, sort of. Round the block. And it was shut. So I guess we've got to go to the one near my house. Which means I've got to pay double. But that's okay, whatever. So Brendan was just singing the Game of Thrones tune, but with the word wiener. So he was going wiener, 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 wiener.
I think it's from South Park.
Yeah, and now Dexter's just sitting there going wiener, wiener. And now he's going to keep doing it because we're laughing at him. But hey, it's not that bad.
It's a city in Austria.
Is it really? There's a city in Austria? Vienna.
We call Vienna in English.
Yeah.
In Swiss German, whatever they speak in Australia. Austrian German.
Yes.
It's spelled Wiener. It's pronounced Vienna.
Oh, because they say V.
Yeah,
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, Volkswagen. That.
Yeah, but it's spelled like when you see it. It's spelled Wiener.
Well, there you go. I think you've told me that before, actually. Brendan wanted to go and drop his stuff off at school, but
no,
we're not doing that. Oh, were you joking? Here I am thinking he was full getting cranky at me. Oh, sometimes I just can't. I just can't, mate. I can't read my own husband. No, because sometimes he's so convincing that I think that he's being serious, and then he's like, "Oh no, I'm just shitting you." But sometimes
perfect impression.
it is. But sometimes I think that, oh yeah, no, you talk, mate. I think that he just says that because he's like, "Oh fuck." I mean, goodness me, I have really annoyed my wife, so I better pretend that I was joking. So that, did you do that for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, so I better pretend I was joking so that she,
I don't do it.
I know, and then I think, hang on, no, my husband doesn't even think like that, let alone do it. I do. Not to you, though. He weaned himself to sleep. I think he's pretending. We got Saxon one of those little, it's like a little blanket with a head on it. And we tried to give one to Dexter when he was this age, but he just didn't want it. But Zaxon, like, we thought, oh, we'll let him play with it while we're in the shop and see if he likes it, and then we'll wrap it up and give it to him for a Christmas present. And when I tried to take it off him just to scan it, he screamed at me. So he now gets to keep that. And he hasn't let go of it. Okay, so it is the next day, and I was just too tired to do anything when I got home last night. I just kind of passed out, didn't even edit this video. I've just finished editing it, and it is a long one, so I think I'll just make this quick. My question of the day is, what kind of food did you used to leave out for Santa on Christmas Eve? I think for us it was a beer, maybe some cookies. Pretty sure there was a beer involved for sure, because Santa loves beer. And a carrot for the reindeer. It'd be interesting to see what other people left out for their Santa. And I'm going to go, because then I've got to start filming for today's vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all tomorrow. It's Christmas Eve tomorrow. Woo!